Good evening, guys. This is my report. First is hearing impairments. Difficulty in hearing is usually the common disability that guide meet. Hearing impairment may be classified into four, namely mild, moderate, severe, and profound mild. Mild hearing loss may be shown by the inability to hear light or high pitch sound. Listen. You need to hear your hearing because it is important as next. Tour member with hearing problem have the following characteristics. First is they consistently move to the front of the group and study the guide of face. So kung ano magud mo siya kay if na sila sa front, pwede nimo siya kung hina siya lag hearing, pwede ninyo siya di sila kaano sa inyong voice sa samot ang nasa airplane ka kanang nabi na siya yung mga ano no kay pag nag mga mask kana sa pag first aid ana. So sila dili sila kadungog pero makasabot sila through kanang mga sign. Second, they ask that your information be repeated. Second, they ask questions that have been previously answered. Kay mailhan man nimo siyang hina og pag-hearing if magsige siya pangutana or sige siya unsa daw siya unsa to ana. Fourth is they don't follow given instruction. So mailhan gini mo siya hina siya pag-hearing kay siguro di siya makaano sa imong mga sign about sa inyong gipang buhat. How to enhance tour for the hearing impaired. One is always speak clearly and distinctly. Second, do not speak to the group while walking or when one's back is turned. Second is practice speaking using the diaphragm muscles to create a lower and more resonant voice. This method is very important to guides with high-pitched voice. How to enhance tours for the hearing impaired. Fourth is stand in a well-light area which can seen. So makaano kita sila and easily which is elevated above the group. So mao to dali naman to no kay dapat makit-an kanila kanang dili maklaro jud kanila ba. 5 is be sure the light does not come from the behind the guide since it will create silhouette which will make leap really very difficult. 6 is face the person or the persons that wearing problems. 7 is repeat important information such as a meeting times and change in the itinerary. This can be done with whole group individually to the group's department. My last part is visual impairments. Person considered to be visual impaired are those who even the eyeglass or contact lens lack of vision murag hina kay gano nang hanap-hanap guro pananaw. Those with severe vision problems have the personal mechanical assistance or both. So you need to assist gid siya kay basig di siya makaklaro ana ba. Same sa atong past na kung nga about hearing. So you need to gid siya assist. How to enhance for the visual impaired. First is talk directly to the person. Although blind people cannot see, they are responsive to those who speak to them. So, kung dili siya ako makakita or makadungog siya, pwede mo siya duolon or ano mo siya nga, ma'am sir, mo ni siya buhaton, ana. So, mura ko i-assist ra nimo unsay ilang mga need na buhaton. Second, kay speak at normal volume. So siyempre mo ano kasi sila no, dapat ano lang murag lovely kay mo pag ano ba, ano yung mga tirada dia. Third, kay offer access to whatever mobility device the blind person will use, then respect the personal decision. So dili pug kakabot nila kung unsay ilang mga anon gamiton ana, kung kana ilang gamiton wala kay mahimo kay ilaman ng decision. So at least naghatag kag guide or idea sa ila kung unsay maayo. Last is the fourth is as much as possible include sensory experience all other that sight. Fifth, kay use visual verb like see or look. Mention sights that are meaningful. Blind people appreciate clear color visual description or their surroundings. So, ang blind people manggod once mo ano ka sa ilang mga light nga words, murag makaingon sila nga anindot din siya nga area diri ah. So, like same sa dark no. Once mo anay magbiyong ka kung kita kag dark man gyud mo makitaan. So, mo gyud mahadlok jud ka, di ba? So mag-explain kasi ha nga kani siya nga area diri ma'am, colorful kayo. So maka-express nice din siya diri ana ba. Kay blind man siya. Ana. Whenever possible, sixth kay whenever possible include touchable items or on a tour. So pwede nimo siya i-ano katong like kay mo ano na mo. Mo na siya mga bulak ma'am. Pwede nimo siya mga touchable mga ano ba. That is my report tonight, ma'am. Thank you.
So let's proceed to the next topic, which is mobility impairment. Mobility impairment can be a result of accident, paralysis, stroke, or diseases such as multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, arthritis, and cerebral palsy. Kaning mga butanga mao ni ang kasagarang hinungdan nganong naa sila'y mobility impairment or maglisod sila lihok. Each of those impairment has different causes and symptom. So lain-lain siya rason nganong naingana. All may require a person with mobility impairment to use cane, walker, or wheelchair for mobility. So kasagaran ani kinahanglan sila og tungkod or walker or kanang saklay or wheelchair para sila makalihok. The severity of mobility impaired range from slower movement to quadriplaria. Depende na siya sa ilang sakit, ilang lihok, kung lala ba or dili. Kaya uban pwede naman magsungkod, pero ang uban kinahanglan jud og wheelchair. So next is how to enhance tour for mobility impaired. Number 1, beware for the comfort level of the person with disabilities. It's important to always check jud if the person with disability is feeling comfortable. Dili ta mag-assume nga okay lang sila, or mas better gyud na mangutana ta politely or obserbahan nato kung kinahanglan ba sila og assistance during sa tour. Second is people with disabilities cannot go to the building or site. some places are not really accessible for the people with disabilities. So mao nga before ta mag-tour, it's better to check yun kung naabay mga ramps, elevator, or easy ba ang pathway nga gianan o convenient ra pud siya para ma-experience ang tour. Next is learning disability. Together with hearing impairment, they are called silent disability because they are not easily seen or detected, unlike physical disabilities nga makita dayon. These types of disability are hidden and you won't really notice unless you observe them ug maayo. Obserbahan mo siya maayo para mabantayan nimo na naa siya disability na ingani. So according to Public Law 94-142, a specific learning disability is a disorder in one or more of the basic psychological process min naa siya problema sa pagproseso sa language, sa sulat or storya. This disorder can show through difficulties in learning properly, thinking clearly, speaking fluently, and reading and understanding text, writing correctly or spelling, or even doing basic math. Kinang maglisod siya. So mao bitaw nga sometimes people with learning disabilities struggle even they are trying hard. Kay dili sayon para nila ang magproseso sa maong informasyon. How to enhance tour for people with learning disabilities. The following are the guidelines to enhance the tour for the people with learning disabilities. So first is give a clear overview of the tour. So before mag-start, it is important to give an example or simple and clear overview sa tour. Dili na kinahanglan taas kayo ang explanation, just give them an idea of what to expect para dili sila ma-overwhelm and malibog. So second is for children with hyperactivity and hypoactivity or attention disorder. So when dealing with children nga naay hyperactivity and hypoactivity or attention problems, make sure kinahanglan siguraduhon yun nimo na ang activity na imong ginahatag is short and engaging. Dili ta mag-expect nga taas ang ilang focus time, so better kung interactive og naay gamay nga movement para dili sila ma-bored. And katulo is repeat important or difficult ideas. So kung naay mga importanteng impormasyon, it is better to repeat it clearly. Sometimes one time lang nila nadunggan, dali ra nila malimtan. So balik-balikan nimo siya para makatabang, para ma-remember din nila, or murag gentle lang na reminder ba para mahinumduman nila balik ang imuhang giingon. So ikaupat, use different learning method and involve a variety of senses. Di lang kay pulo istorya lang, so also use visual aid to allow them to touch an object kung pwede lang gunitan, pagunitan nimo, or even let them smell or hear things nga related sa tour. The more senses na involved sa panghitabo, the easier for them to understand and enjoy the experience. Next is new opportunities for travelers with disabilities. In recent years, daghan na kayo og tour company nga nag-organize og tour especially para sa mga tao nga naay disabilities. the advantage for them are really good, and they are really get camaraderies, ang mga kauban nila, ang mga tao nga kasabot lang sa ilang peace, kay dili mo tanan tour is paspas. And they also have the opportunity to travel with people who prepare to more slower or walay pressure nga dali-dali nga lakaw. So plus mas dako og pagyud og chance nga ang ilang mga needs makater, like handicaps, motor coaches, and hotel rooms o uban pang amenities nga accessible. So some companies even offers unique specialty tours nga dili lang basta-basta. Those are comfortable with highest quality tour in the whole industry. Mga karon travelers with disabilities sila chance, or they have more chance to explore and enjoy just like everyone else. So mo lang to akong report, ma'am, mo lang to akong report, everyone. So thank you for listening.